Want to find out about your origins and understand how your DNA influences your health, athletic performance, and even your nutritional needs? Here we share our opinion on 24Genetics, the Spanish laboratory that offers 7 analysis reports based on a single DNA kit order. The main reason we decided to order from 24Genetics was their holistic approach to genetic analysis. Unlike the American giants, which focus mainly on genealogy, this European laboratory, founded in 2017, offers 7 separate reports from a single DNA sample. What really won us over was their Illumina technology, which guarantees 99.99% accuracy, and their ability to analyze over 700,000 genetic markers. Here's what makes 24Genetics unique. Their range of tests covers all aspects of your DNA. The DNA Origins test provides you with a detailed interactive map of your ethnic origins with precise percentages by region. The analysis covers more than 1,500 regions around the world, making it one of the most comprehensive on the market. The Health DNA test identifies your genetic predisposition to dozens of common diseases. It analyzes your biometric factors and relevant genetic mutations to establish a personalized medical follow-up with your healthcare professional. The nutrigenetic DNA test reveals how your body reacts to different nutrients: caffeine, sugars, fats. You will finally discover why certain foods are better for you than others and receive a nutritional plan tailored to your genetic profile. The pharmacogenetic DNA test analyzes your compatibility with certain medications. This is crucial information for preventing side effects and optimizing the effectiveness of treatments. The sports DNA test establishes your muscular, metabolic, and cardiovascular profile. The results include personalized training advice depending on whether you are naturally geared towards endurance or explosive strength. The skin DNA test genetically assesses your skin's elasticity, moisture retention, and sensitivity to the sun. You receive personalized recommendations to adapt your skincare routine. The Talent and Personality DNA test explores your genetic predisposition to certain cognitive abilities and behavioral traits. Finally, the all-in-one pack combines all these tests for a comprehensive report on your DNA. If you would like to discover your history with the 24Genetics laboratory, click on the link in the description. Please note that this is an affiliate link that helps us fund our future videos and maintain our independence. Because yes, our videos are 100% impartial and transparent. The process is straightforward. You choose your test, fill in your details, and receive the kit within 3 to 5 business days. The DNA kit contains everything you need: a swab for the mouth swab, gloves, a prepaid shipping bag, and clear instructions in French. The sample collection is simple. Just rub the swab inside your cheek for 30 seconds. Once shipped, we waited 4 weeks to receive our complete results. This is longer than some competitors, such as Quick DNA, but the richness of the analysis justifies the delay in our experience with 24Genetics. The analysis is several dozen pages long, with accessible scientific explanations and interactive graphics. The Origins report features a colorful world map with your precise ethnic percentages over nearly 800 years. The granularity goes down to specific subregions, with great accuracy. This test gives you direct access to accurate information about your ethnic ancestry, your maternal and paternal lineages, and your share of Neanderthal DNA. It also highlights your historical ancestors and identifies the ancient cultures most closely related to your genetic profile. The health report assesses your genetic predispositions to common diseases, which are influenced by your genes, lifestyle, and diet. It reveals your genetic sensitivities to allergies and intolerances, whether dietary, dermatological, or respiratory. With this report, you learn how your genome influences the effectiveness of certain medications and your potential reactions. It also sheds light on your genetic susceptibility or resistance to various infectious diseases, such as tuberculosis or herpes. The nutrition report reveals fascinating insights: your ability to metabolize caffeine, your sensitivity to gluten, and your specific vitamin requirements. This concrete information allows you to adjust your diet in a targeted manner. The 24th Genetics Report also explores your physical and intellectual traits. It provides you with information about your cognitive and emotional traits, such as your tendency to be impulsive, your stress management, and the quality of your sleep. The report also looks at your genetic predisposition to certain addictions. All reports are based on recent scientific studies and are regularly updated. Illumina technology guarantees the reliability of the results with an error rate of less than 0.01%. To give you some perspective, 24Genetics analyzes more than 700,000 genetic markers, compared to around 600,000 for ancestry DNA. Their strength lies mainly in diversity. Where MyHeritage excels in genealogy, 24Genetics shines with its multidisciplinary approach to health and well-being. In terms of price, 24Genetics all-in-one package remains competitive with 23andMe's specialized health tests, which can cost more for fewer reports. The first major advantage is the wealth of analysis. 7 different reports from a single sample is unique on the US market. You maximize the use of your DNA sample. GDPR compliance is a real plus. Your data is never sold and can be deleted on request. Peace of mind is invaluable. The ability to use raw data from other laboratories is great if you have already had a test done elsewhere. You save the cost of the sample collection. The technical accuracy is impressive. More than 700,000 markers analyzed with Illumina technology is top of the line. Before choosing 24Genetics, there are a few things to consider. The first is the waiting time. You will need to be patient as the laboratory takes between 3 and 6 weeks to deliver your results, which is longer than most competitors. Next, the price of individual tests may seem high if you do not purchase the all-in-one package. The raw data can be complex to interpret without professional help, especially for health analyses. Medical support is sometimes necessary to make the most of the information. In addition, 24Genetics' genealogical database is more modest than those of Living DNA or MyHeritage. If your main goal is to find distant relatives, it may be more difficult to achieve this with 24Genetics. After testing 24Genetics and analyzing all our results, my opinion of 24Genetics is clearly positive. This laboratory is for you if you are looking for much more than just a DNA ancestry test. It is the ideal option for health-conscious people who want to understand how their genetics influence their daily well-being. If you want to optimize your diet, adapt your exercise routine, or personalize your skincare based on your DNA, 24Genetics excels in these areas. The test is ideal for people who value privacy and respect for their personal data. Healthcare professionals, nutritionists, and sports coaches will find valuable data to personalize their recommendations. However, if you are only looking for your ethnic origins and have a limited budget, other options may suffice. 24Genetics really shines when you take advantage of the diversity of its analyses. Our experience with 24Genetics has convinced us. Your DNA truly becomes a personalized guide to optimizing your health and performance. It is an investment in self-knowledge that can transform your approach to well-being. If our review of 24Genetics has made you want to find out what your DNA has to say, you can discover their DNA kit directly via the link in the description. Your genetic heritage holds secrets about your health, your origins, and your abilities. With 24Genetics, you can finally access this personalized guide written in your DNA. Which aspect of your genetics intrigues you the most? Your origins, your health, or your performance? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our DNA lab tests. Thank you all for watching. This was DNA Story.